7 less 2 add 4 less 3 answer is 6. Next set 8 less 2 add 1 less 5 answer is 2. Next set 9 less 2 add 1 less 3 answer is 5. Next set 4 less 2 add 6 less 3 answer is 5. Next set 9 less 2 add 1 less 3 answer is 5. Next set 8 less 3 add 2 less 2 answer is 5. Next set 7 less 2 add 4 less 3 answer is 6. Next set 6 less 1 add 4 less 2 answer is 7. Next set 5 less 5 add 4 less 3 answer is 1. Next set 4 less 3 add 5 less 1 answer is 5.